So guys, right here we have the grains of wheat, and this wheat we grew last season for feeding our cows. As you know that we deal in production of milk, it means it's dairy production, and therefore we need wheat so much for mixing or for feeding the cows. But surprisingly, we do not just use it for feeding the cows, we also use it for generating heat into the house so that we also get warm water from it. And these grains, all the grains of wheat, we actually feed it into the pot, which I'm going to show you just briefly. We feed it there and then it burns, right? We put it and then we set fire there and then it burns to give us hot water, and then also to give us heat or the warmth in the house. So it's another alternative of using fuel, because here we have got some heaters which use the fuel, and we also got those heaters which use the power. So being a farmer is just of an advantage, because you are actually growing something for another reason, but again it also serves you on the other side, right? So which means that is the beauty of being a farmer. So as I said, we're going to be using this one. We feed it into the pot, and then from there it is sent, or it goes into the burning chamber. Then from the burning chamber it gives us that hot water, or it gives us warmth in the house, right? So guys, if it was your first time to come across this channel, this is Agriculture World Happiness, just consider subscribing, and of course don't forget to like the video, share, and as I said, subscribe. And of course don't always forget to turn on the notification bell such that you do not miss on amazing videos. Guys, we are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, so please take me there. Let's make it happen and reach 2,000 subscribers, right? Let's continue with the video. I'm going to carry this, and then we are going to be feeding into the pot, and I'm going to show you how the whole process, how it burns and forms for us, or gives us warm water in the house. Enjoy the video, guys, until the end. So here we are. So now the plan here is I'm gonna be making 4 of these buckets. These are the grains. I'm gonna be feeding it into this pot, or the box, but we call it the pot. So I'm going to feed it right here, and then we get some pills right here. These are the pills that I'm going to be using, and right here we have the knife. So I'll not put all of it, I'll just put a little bit. Let's see. There. You know, this pill also it helps to fasten the burning, right? Sometimes we use the oil, but during this time we do not need the oil. We're just going to use the wheat plus the pills to make the burning happen. So right there too. So we have here 4 buckets, but sometimes we can even fill it all, but it's not always advisable to fill all of it. So these 4 will take me for 2 days, and then after 2 days I'll come and refill again. But once it is over from here, obviously the fire will go off. We just use the matchbox for lightening it. So we have to close it. So this is the engine, which makes the thing inside to rotate such that it can take the weight inside. As you can hear here, it's rotating. Now let's see how it's burning, right? I'm going to open inside there, right? So as I told you, it just has a small engine here. This engine makes the metal inside to rotate. This metal it passes around this place here, so it rotates and then it takes the wheat grains inside, and then when it brings it, or when it comes inside this, when the wheat grains comes here, they start burning like this. So this is how we are creating the heater in our house. You can even see the entire system. It's so nice. So it means you need wheat just to warm your house or to get warm water as an alternative, which is so nice and is so great. So that is the beauty of being a farmer. Everything is actually available for you just locally. You do not need to stress yourself. Yeah, sometimes those ones who also use the wood for heating, but this is our alternative, which is very cheap for us because we are growing it for animals, and also we are using it for our own consumption as human beings. So as I told you, it doesn't just warm for you the house, but also it gives you the warm water which you use for bathing. Yeah, so which means the system is connected to the house, right? So if I can take you outside a little bit, and then you're going to be able to see how it's working right from outside here, and you'll even see the smoke while it's burning. You're going to be able to see the smoke from up. So here we need to always keep it closed, and even the pot where I'll put the wheat grains, we need to keep it closed all the time. So you can see that house there, that one right there, it is supplying the entire house, right? So you can see that's where the chimney is, that's where they are. When there's smoke, it passes, and when I want to know that it's over, I just watch the smoke, and when there's no smoke, it's very easy for me to know that the wheat is over. I just go down there and I get, and that's the beauty as a farmer, right? So guys, that is what I really wanted to show you for today. Though I have got great things to show to you, but this video was purposely today to show you how we feed the wheat into the heater to heat for us the house. So once again, if it was your first time to come across this channel, this is Agriculture World Happiness, just consider subscribing. You are in the right place. In this channel I just make farm videos, no any other videos. So that is how it is, and that's how the channel works. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.